Unit 6, Energy. Energy is important for everything we do. Energy has different forms. Thermal energy is in anything that is hot. The sun produces lots of thermal energy. Anything that makes noise has a sound energy. A vibrating drum is an example of sound energy. We use electrical energy for a lot of things in our homes. Lightning also produces electrical energy. Food contains chemical energy. Our bodies turn this energy from food into heat or kinetic energy. Fuels, like wood, also contain chemical energy. Moving things have kinetic energy. These moving things can be big, like planets, or small, like insects. When we ride a bike, we turn the energy from food into kinetic energy. Light. Light is a form of energy. Light sources are things that produce light. They can be natural, like the sun, or man-made, like bulbs and candles. We need light to see. If it's dark, we can't see anything. Light always travels in a straight line. It can't move around objects. Light travels in all directions. Light is the fastest form of energy. When we switch on a light in the room, we see it immediately.
The sun is millions of kilometers away from the Earth, but it only takes about 8 minutes for sunlight to reach us because light travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second.
The light from the sun looks white, but it's made up of 7 different colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. We can see these 7 colors in a rainbow in the sky. Sound. Sound is produced when objects vibrate. Sound travels in waves and travels in all directions. It also travels very fast, but is nowhere as fast as light. Loud sound travels further than quiet sounds, and a sound is always louder near its source. Sound can travel through air and water, and, unlike light, sound can travel through solid, opaque objects. Sound can't travel when there is no air. This means there is no sound in space or on the moon. Sound travels in all directions. Sound can travel through water. Sound can travel through solid objects. Sound, like light, can also reflect off some objects. When this happens, we get an echo. Renewable and non-renewable energy. Energy can be obtained from renewable and non-renewable sources. Most of our electricity comes from power stations that use energy sources like coal, oil, and gas to make electricity. These are non-renewable energy sources. This means that we can't make more of them, and they will eventually run out. We can also get energy from the sun, wind, and water. These are renewable energy sources. This means that we can use them again and again, and they will never run out. Using non-renewable energy sources causes pollution and can harm the environment. Renewable energy sources cause less pollution. Most mirrors are made of a sheet of polished glass with a thin coat of silver paint on the back.
The silver reflects the light. When we look in a mirror, we see ourselves because the light is reflected from us to the mirror and then back from the mirror to our eyes. Ordinary mirrors are flat, and we see a true image of ourselves. Some mirrors are curved and wavy. These mirrors reflect the light in different directions so that we can look taller and thinner, shorter and fatter, or we have a much longer neck.